everybody, welcome to another office hours session. In this session I'm going to show you various different resources and extra places you can look to teach you all about AIML. So let me show you just like a few at a time. So if you're a total beginner to AIML, if you don't know anything about it, what I've done is I've created a course which teaches you all about AIML. Now it's 3.5 hours long, so I don't expect you to sit through that all in one session. But there's things like wildcards and responses and using that and recursion, all kind of thing. Anything you need to know about AIML 1, also covering AIML 2, like the sets and maps. Now this is just on Udemy. If you go to udemy.com and search for AIML, you'll see this course. It's all free. And you get a little certificate at the end, and it's also pretty handy as maybe like a reference part as well. I've got some different tags and things and all kinds of things like that. So if this course will take you through absolute beginner level. You're not expected to know anything at all about this about AIML for this course to be useful. So yeah, you probably find that useful. One thing that's useful as well on the AIML Foundation homepage is the docs. So it's got like the history of AIML, the different the syntax of it, different tags, what each thing does. Really useful. I still refer to this from time to time, especially for things like date formatting things. But each tag's explained. Really useful. If you're struggling to understand something, pop along here. Take a look at it, and then that should help you out there. All AIML 2 stuff as well, so it's got like the rich media things, like the images and all the things like that, how to create all the Facebook Messenger type bots and things like that. There's a docs page as well if you're a member of Pandora Box, which hopefully you will be if you're using AIML. If you go into the help pages on your account and docs, it will go over all the docs here. Kind of a similar thing to the AIML Foundation stuff, but again, it's maybe a bit easier to find. Say I want to know what's about, I don't know, image. There we go. It shows you how to use it. You may find the other docs page, the AIML Foundation one has got a few more examples in there than this, but yeah, really useful as well. All the different references. Also it has some extra things about Pandora Bots, so it's got like a few little basic things in there, hello world type thing, and what you can do next, how you can integrate it with your website and things like that. All kinds of good stuff in there. What I have as well on my old Mitsuku site is a list of some free AIML files which you're welcome to look and learn from. They're mostly just kind of like little utilities, like display a calendar and how many days to Christmas and all this kind of thing. Feel free to look in here and sort of see how they all work. You're more than welcome to use them in your own bots as well. If you do, it's just nice of you just to let me know that you have used them. I don't expect any kind of payment at all. They're all free, but I'm just kind of like curious as to where they kind of end up on the internet. So yeah, feel free to use any of these. Now that's kind of like references for AIML. There's also like some support forums as well. A couple of good ones I use. They're on chatbots.org. It's got a good AIML subsection here. People are asking all kind of little different AIML questions. How do I do this? Blah blah blah. How do I do that? Yeah, quite an active forum. So put a post in here, and someone's going to help you. Probably me, because I'm one of the moderators on the site. But yeah, post in there, and someone will deal with you. Another good one as well is on the AI Dreams forum. If we go to the forum, this has got a here we go, an Alice AIML section. Yeah, not as busy as the chatbots.org one, but yeah, I visit here quite regular. So if you need anything, just ask in here, and again someone will help you, which again will probably be myself. Easiest way though, as I mentioned on the other videos, is Stack Overflow. Yeah, if you just post here with any support questions, just tag them as AIML, and then I check this every day just to see if there's anything in there that needs help. And so I've been answering lots of people in here. That way as well, rather than just sending me emails and random Facebook messages or posting comments on videos, if I can see what people are wanting to know, I can then either answer them here or raise it in an office hours session or anything like that. Yeah, so this is the one that I'm trying to encourage people to use, just on Stack Overflow AIML. Just put your posts in there. And then of course there's the office hours session. Yeah, broadcast every Tuesday at 4 PM UK time. The link's in there. Just look up Pandora Box, and we're one of the playlists called Office Hours. So there's all the ones in there that we've done this year. As I mentioned in here, just post some Stack Overflow and tag them AIML. But yeah, every Tuesday 4 PM UK time, we broadcast. It's either like a topic of the day or it's user queries. So anything you want to see sort of coming up in here, yeah, no, just let me know, and I'll happily cover it for you. So yeah, I mean, as a last resort, you can email me, but I'd rather you didn't, because I'm getting the same questions over and over again. Whereas at least posting it somewhere like Stack Overflow or one of these boards, I can just refer someone back to the answer that I've already given. Right, so I hope that's been useful for you. As I say, there's all the different resources. I would definitely recommend the Udemy course. So we've got 8,000 students on it at the moment, and you can ask me like questions and answers and things like that in there. So right, there you go. I think that'll do for today. See y'all later.